Hi. Today we are to learn how to shorten a long link or make a longer URL to smaller. Here in my Word, you can see a long URL. It's consisting of almost 2 lines. So, let's make it smaller and use it easily. On Google, search for link shortener. I like tiny URL. It's easy to use. Now simply copy the URL. And paste in the first box. Finally, shorten URL. The shorted form of URL or link is ready to use. And you can see the new shortened link is too small to say and compare to the earlier one. And this will work same for the link which is bigger. So, this is the way you can shorten the long URL or link easily. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.